In 2025, the used car market is flooded with electric vehicles, some brilliant, some disastrous, and some that will quietly drain your wallet faster than they drain their own batteries. And while EV technology has come a long way, not every model aged gracefully. Some electric cars look tempting on the used market because their prices drop fast, but there's usually a reason for that. Today, we're diving deep into the 6 electric cars experts and mechanics strongly recommend avoiding in 2025, especially if you're shopping used. These aren't bad cars when new, but as they age, they become unpredictable, expensive to repair, and in some cases, downright stressful to own. From early battery failures, unavailable replacement parts, and weak charging systems to tech glitches that feel like a horror movie, this list could save you from thousands of dollars in headaches. Let's begin with something important. EVs don't age like gas cars. A 10-year-old Honda may run perfectly with simple maintenance, but a 10-year-old EV with poor thermal management or complicated electronics can become a financial trap. And when it comes to batteries, the heart of an electric car, one failure can cost more than the entire value of the car. That's why mechanics, technicians, and EV repair shops keep a close eye on certain models. They've seen patterns, repeat failures, and owners coming in month after month with the same problems. So today, I'll share these insights with you in one complete guide. Number 1. Nissan Leaf, 2011-2016 models. Heat is its biggest enemy. The Nissan Leaf was a pioneering EV, affordable, friendly, and way ahead of its time. But if you're buying a used one in 2025, especially an early model, tread carefully. These older Leafs suffer from one major design flaw: no active battery cooling system. In simple terms, the battery gets hot, and heat kills EV batteries faster than anything else. Owners living in warm climates like Arizona, Nevada, Florida, or Southern California experienced rapid battery degradation. Some early Leafs lost over 30% of their range within a few years. Fast forward to 2025. Those cars are now more than a decade old. Many are cheap, sometimes under $5,000, because they barely go 40-60 miles on a charge. And while the car itself might seem fine, the battery replacement can cost more than the car's total value. Even worse, replacement Leaf batteries are difficult to find because Nissan phased out production for older versions. In cold climates, they age a little better, but overall, the early Leaf is one used EV mechanics say to avoid unless you absolutely understand what you're getting into. Number 2. BMW i3 2014-2019. Brilliant idea, painful repairs. The BMW i3 is one of the most interesting EVs ever made. Lightweight carbon fiber body, futuristic interior, and surprisingly fun driving dynamics. But mechanics don't love working on it. Why? Because everything about the i3 is complicated, expensive, tightly packed, and unique. When these cars were new, the design was exciting. A decade later, that uniqueness turns into repair bills that shock owners. The i3 has a high failure rate with its KLE charging module, which controls how the car charges. When that fails, you can't plug in the car at all, and replacing it can cost thousands. Suspension parts, door hinges, and electronic modules are also known troublemakers. And because the car uses advanced materials like carbon fiber, even simple body repairs can cost a fortune. If you pick one with the range extender engine, that adds even more complexity. 2 powertrains to maintain, not one. While the i3 is a great engineering experiment, buying one used in 2025 is risky unless you find a perfect example with full maintenance history. Number 3. Tesla Model S 2012-2016. The early models are electrical nightmares. Tesla changed the EV world, but their earliest Model S versions weren't built with long-term reliability in mind. Owners of early production Model S vehicles report a long list of recurring failures: door handles that stop working, screens that bubble and leak sticky fluid, suspension arms that crack, and charging modules that fail without warning. Then there's the biggest issue of all: battery and drive unit failures. These early batteries were groundbreaking at the time, but many degraded quickly or failed outright. Drive units would make a loud humming noise before needing replacement. Fast forward to 2025. These cars are cheap on the used market, but only because repair costs are astronomical. Tesla doesn't sell many parts to independent shops, meaning owners often have to go directly to Tesla for repairs, and Tesla knows that. Early Model S owners have been quoted $15,000 and $22,000 for battery replacements and $5,000, $7,000 for screen replacements. Mechanics say, buy a newer Model S if you want one, but avoid the early ones unless you're ready for some serious bills. Number 4. Fiat 500e, 2013-2019, a fun toy, not a long-term car. The Fiat 500e is charming, adorable, zippy, and surprisingly fun to drive. But here's the truth: Fiat never intended the 500e to be a long-term production vehicle. They built it only to meet California's zero-emission requirements. In fact, Fiat's CEO publicly called it a compliance car and even joked that they lost money on every one sold. That means parts support was always limited, and now, in 2025, it's running out fast. The 500e suffers from frequent charging port failures, HV battery issues, and electrical gremlins that leave the car unable to start. Battery replacements? Very hard to find. Many owners report waiting months for a single part. The problem isn't that the car is unreliable, it's that you can't get it fixed. Mechanics love working on EVs with good factory support. The 500e is not one of them. If you buy one in 2025, it's fun until something breaks. When it does, you may have to scrap the car, even if everything else is perfect. Number 5. Chevrolet Bolt, 2017-2021, the recall giant. The Chevy Bolt is comfortable, practical, and surprisingly quick, but it suffered from the most infamous EV recall in US history. Early Bolts had a battery manufacturing defect that caused thermal runaway, which is a nice technical way of saying the battery could catch fire. GM issued major recalls, replacing battery packs or updating software, but the damage was done. Insurance rates went up, resale values dropped, and owners lost confidence. Here's the problem in 2025. Many used Bolts still on the market come from before the recall, and not all of them were properly fixed. Some owners skipped service visits. Some dealers didn't replace batteries. They only updated software. And because the Bolt was produced in large numbers, the used market is full of questionable examples. For those that did get a brand new battery pack, it's a great EV. But for every good one, there's another that's a potential headache. Mechanics recommend avoiding early Bolts unless you can verify the battery replacement with documentation. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz EQC and early EQ models, luxury but painfully fragile. Mercedes entered the EV world with high hopes, but their earliest EQ models, including the EQC, arrived with significant problems. Owners report issues with cooling systems, charge controllers, high-voltage wiring, and infotainment glitches that lock owners out of basic features. What makes it worse? Mercedes EV parts are extremely expensive. A failed onboard charger or battery cooling unit can cost thousands, even more than Tesla. Because Mercedes EVs are packed with luxury electronics, their aging process is rough. Sensors fail, software bugs appear, Batteries degrade faster than expected in some early models, and repairs, even dealerships sometimes struggle because EV tech was still new for Mercedes back then. As these models hit the used market in 2025, they're tempting. Big luxury for a low price. But long-term, they're money traps that mechanics quietly warn customers about. Electric cars can be incredibly reliable, but only if the manufacturer designed them with long-term durability in mind. Some companies, like Tesla, Nissan, BMW, and GM, were experimenting heavily during the early EV era. Some experiments paid off, others didn't. In 2025, the worst EVs to buy used are the ones with battery cooling issues, rare parts, questionable recalls, or fragile electronics. If you're shopping for a used EV today, always check battery health, thermal management system, recall history, service records, parts availability. Because with EVs, a great deal can turn into a great disaster very quickly.